All right, y'all. Hopefully the pick'em questions made sense. If you did the top left one, I caught my typo as I was going through these. Go back and do another one, you lazy bones. Okay, I wanted to take a look at one other type of problem here. What percent of 139 is 18? This problem deals with kind of the same sort of ideas we've been dealing with before, but you might notice it doesn't actually give us the percent. This problem is asking us to go through and find that percent. Okay, but if we go back to that equation that we started with at the very beginning of class, right, it still gives us this sort of setup. There's some original number, there's some new number, and we're finding the percent in between. Okay, so if we wanted to set this type of problem up, the original number here, what percent of 139 is 18, right? What it's asking us is what type of equation equals 18 when we start with 139. What we don't know is the percent that we're multiplying 139 by. Okay, this equation right here to find the question mark is a pretty straightforward one. We're going to divide, okay, 18 divided by 139 gives us a question mark of 0.129. And we're done, right? Not quite, okay? This problem is a little bit trickier than that because right here we have a decimal. This is not a percent yet. This is the decimal that equals a percent, okay? So we can do this a couple different ways. We can either just move the decimal point over 2 spots, which gives us 12.9, or we can think to ourselves, hey, what number divided by 100, again, percents always deal with 100, is going to give us this same 0.129 number. And again, this is going to be 12.9. When you divide that by 100, gives us that same small decimal. Okay, so 12.9 is the percent, right? If we, the percent 18 is of 139, okay? And again, this problem would really help you out if you thought through what answer would make sense here, right? 18 is a lot smaller than 139, so we would expect an answer less than 50%, less than 25%, but bigger than like 0.5% or 1% or 2%, right? It's a number somewhere in that range. So 12.9 makes a lot of sense here. Okay, I know these problems are kind of tricky. We're going to talk about them more on Monday. So if you don't understand this all the way, that's okay. We're going to come back to this. Sorry, not Monday, Tuesday when I see you guys in person. For now, I would like you guys to go ahead and jump over to Delta Math. There's some word problems I want you guys to take a crack at. I am going to be on the math room drop-in today. So if you guys want some help with any of the problems that you see, I would love it if you brought questions or if you were willing to share your screen so we could kind of talk through the problems that you're running into. I know these percent problems can be tough, but I really don't want to give you too much more support. I want you guys to get messy, play around with your calculator, and find answers that make sense with percents, with these percent type problems. All right, y'all, have a great day. Hopefully I see you in the drop-in room right now. Bye.